Hello, in front of me I've got FC25. In this video I'll show you how to perform advanced rainbow flick. To perform advanced rainbow flick, make sure that your player has at least 5 stars of dribbling. Now you have to push analog left, hold it right, and then click it right again while running, like this. At the moment you see the foot of your player is going to kick the ball, you have to press analog right again. If you are running to the left side of the pitch, do the same thing but in opposite direction. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.